In today's video, we're diving into the best computer science apps for Android that can help you enhance your knowledge and skills in this exciting field. If you're ready to boost your computer science expertise, let's jump right in. Computer Science Dictionary. Computer Science Dictionary is an invaluable resource for students and professionals alike, providing a comprehensive collection of terms and definitions related to computer science. With thousands of entries covering topics such as programming, networking, algorithms, data structures, and more. This app is perfect for anyone looking to improve their knowledge in the field. The user-friendly interface allows for quick searches, making it easy to find specific terms on the go. Additionally, the app provides detailed explanations, making complex concepts more accessible to learners at all levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, this dictionary serves as an essential tool for keeping your computer science vocabulary sharp. Computer Science Calculations. Computer Science Calculations is a practical app designed to assist students and professionals with various calculations commonly encountered in computer science. The app features tools for performing functions related to algorithms, data analysis, statistics, and more. Users can access features such as binary and decimal conversions, calculating time complexity, and performing statistical analyses, making it a versatile application for tackling computational problems. Its intuitive design allows users to input data easily and see instant results, which aids in understanding the concepts being studied. This app is particularly helpful for students who need a reliable tool for completing assignments or preparing for exams. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Computer Science Dictionary and Computer Science Calculations helps you find the perfect apps to support your learning journey in computer science. Until next time, happy learning!